Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts. I'm Anna Vanila. Please feel welcome to come to my channel where I share absolutely everything that I've learned over the years, over the tens of years of my experience. And by doing lots of crafts myself, I decided to create a channel where I can share with you everything that I learned, everything that I know. So I hope that with my videos you can learn something new too, and possibly we can create things that are beautiful together. Now in this video, like any other video, I'm showing you how I've made this pattern. I'm doing videos on drawing and painting and knotting, knitting, crocheting and all sorts of other things. In this video I'm showing you how I'm knitting this wonderful and simple hat. It's very airy, is open work pattern. As you can see through. It can work even for summertime, even for cooler times like autumn and spring, and could be helpful for any one of us to wear something as beautiful as this and also keep a little bit warm. So this pattern, this hat, has acrylic yarn. This is acrylic yarn. I use needles size number 4.5, 68 loops on my needles, and that's how we start. So we use a right needle and we pick up the loop, but we do not knit the first loop, but the last loop we always knit with a purl stitch. That's how I do it. And then the next, what we need to do is do a yarn over, not like this, like this, but like this, like it's in front of you, like you take it in front of you. This yarn has to come in front of this needle, in front of you, and then you hold it with a finger, and then you knit these two loops with a front stitch and create one loop, but you do not take everything from, you do not loosen you don't take these loops yet from the needle, and you penetrate again in these two loops and you grab the third, and we knit another loop together, and only then we release, like so. Again, we do yarn over the needle like so. We knit these two loops with a front stitch. We do not release it yet. We push the next third loop from behind, and we knit the third loop together to create another loop, like so. Again, yarn over, two loops together with a front stitch, we hold it, then we penetrate it again and we grab the other loop from the third, all together from the third loop, and we create two stitches, two loops. Again, yarn over, two together with a front stitch, we hold it with a finger, we penetrate it again, and we grab from the middle of the third loop another loop, and we do it all over again. This pattern is easy, is good for beginners. If you can knit front stitches and purl stitches, you can knit this pattern easily. We knit it like this until the end of this row. Now I finished the first row. Now we are doing the second row. The second row may surprise you. It's actually the same. Yes, it's the same pattern, the same easy way of knitting. So the first loop we do not knit, we just transfer it onto the right needle. Then what we need to do is make a yarn over, like in front of us, like not the usual way like this, but like so. Then we knit the two loops together and we hold it, and then we again penetrate and we get the third loop knitted together with these two loops again together knitted. Okay, so yarn over, two loops, we hold it, we knit again these two loops, but we add the third loop together and we create another loop. Yarn over, two loops, and we knit the third one as well. Make sure it's not too tight and not too loose. Make sure it's even so it's easy to knit. And this is how we knit. First row and second row, it's all the same. I'll be knitting about 23 centimeters of my of this to create the hat which I want to wear. Then I'll do the crown of camera and I'll show you how I finish his hat in the end. So we do it again, we knit the same way. You can use larger needles for this as well, but get the needles that are a tiny little bit sharper on the edge, at the edges, like here, a bit sharper so that you can grab the yarn easily. This is it. This is how we knit. Good luck. Now we nearly finished this hat. As you can see, I've made the crown. This is how it looks like, the front, and this is at the back. This is a stitch, and this is how I hide my last thread. I basically use a knitting needle, a needle specially made for knitting garments, and it's made of plastic, neon green plastic, which is my favorite, and you follow the braid down like so. Now I'm doing a knot to make sure it never ever unravels with wear and tear. So, and then we hide it again through the loops like so, through the braids here. middle side, and we cut this off, and this is the finished hat. This is, as you can see, at the back. It's beautiful, it's fantastic. This is on the front, which is also fantastic. The color just helps because it's so pretty and universal. Hello everyone, again and again. This is our finished project. As you can see, it's very airy, it's very open work pattern. You can see through slightly, you see. So it's breathable, it's beautiful, it's airy, is tactile, as you can see. It's like a mesh here, you get like a mesh. This is the front of the hat, and this is the back of the hat. The stitch has been done on the front, and then we've hidden here at the back. I've stretched it slightly to correct the shape, and this is the crown, this is the top of a hat, which I closed, and I think it looks fantastic. Yeah, I love it. I think it's fantastic, it's beautiful, the color just complements it, and it looks amazing. The color is very classic, it would work with anything that you wear. So let's try and wear it on my mannequin. Let's see. This is my mannequin. As you can see, it covers nicely the ears, the forehead, the ears again. This is a stitch at the back. This is, I've left enough space to make like a hairdo, updo here. And as you can see, this pattern work looks lovely. It's simple pattern, but very easy, very comfy to do it, very quick to do it. It doesn't take you a long time to do it, and you can wear it at any time. Please subscribe, and please like my videos, and leave comments below about what else would you like me to do in my videos that will attract you to come back to my channel. What else would you advise me to do for the public that you may find interesting, and let's create and do beautiful things together like this one. I hope you loved it a lot. I hope you feel motivated to do a hat like this yourself, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. I was Anna Vanila.